Text2.ai text honest review. Watch before using. Most people get AI writing tools wrong. They assume they are just for simple copy or content fillers. Text2.ai is different. It promises fast, high-quality text generation for marketing, blogging, and creative projects. The surprising truth is how versatile it is across formats and niches, and you won't believe how easy it is to get professional-level text in minutes. Here's how it works. Text2.ai uses advanced AI algorithms to generate content based on prompts you provide. You can request blog posts, social media captions, email templates, product descriptions, or even long-form articles. The interface is clean and intuitive. Type your prompt, select style or tone, and let the AI do the work. For example, if you need a 500-word blog post on sustainable fashion, Text2.ai can produce a coherent, structured article complete with headings and bullet points. Most people get this wrong. They expect generic output, but Text2.ai adapts to context and style preferences, making it surprisingly accurate and readable. Additional features include SEO optimization suggestions, rewriting tools for better clarity, and support for multiple languages. You can even use it to brainstorm ideas, generate outlines, or refine your drafts. This makes it a powerful tool not just for speed, but for creativity. However, there are considerations. AI-generated content may occasionally require human editing for tone, accuracy, or nuance, especially in technical or highly specialized topics. Most people assume AI is flawless. It isn't, so review outputs carefully. In conclusion, Text2.ai is ideal for marketers, bloggers, and anyone needing fast, versatile, high-quality text generation. Its adaptability, ease of use, and extra features make it more than a simple writing assistant. It's a full content creation partner. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of AI tools and digital productivity platforms.